now I finished kneading it. Now ended up like this. So now I'm going to add my metallic acrylic paint. I'm going to go with pink now, but I couldn't find any pink, so I'll be using metallic crimson red. I'm going to try red because it might work, you know, it has like a white surface. But I mean, the red is kind of bold, so I'll use crimson red. It makes it look pink. This time, I'm sure. So I'm going to have crimson red. And I'm going to put it in.